Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a brand new Hot Wheels car. Today we have a Morris Mini with white wheels. It's the Hot Wheels Snowstormers series and it's number 205, 137 out of 365 on the year. And what year it is, I'm not sure, but it was a 2015 copyright. What are the Hot Wheels Snowstormers? Chilled out and ready to take on the powder. So this little mini Morris Mini is going to go in the snow and do some snow drifts. Is that what's going to happen? Maybe we should have waited till the winter to open this guy. Can't wait. Yep, middle of August, late August. No snow. Ooh, driving's on the right. There we go. Nice clear view of it now. Front windows are down. Back windows are up. And all this blue that you're seeing, that's a beautiful blue, by the way. Some of it's covered by tempos, but you'll see there's some metallic in that blue right there. This would be a good one to take the tempos off. All wheels roll well. That's a plastic bottom on a metal top. Malaysia it's made in. High quality. All right, let's see. Ooh, baby. Yes, he rolls straight. He rolls straight. There's a little bit of a turn, but not much. Enough to call it a straight roll. Here we go. Backwards is the way to go. Whoa. Is it a drifter? Is this little Mr. Bean car a drifter? Nice. It's not much of a drifter, but it's got a fun twist to it. I think it's better for the donuts because of the shape of it. Oh, look at that. Donut drifting. I like it. I like the Morris Mini anyway. Wouldn't want to drive in one. Definitely don't want to own one. But these little guys for my pocket, perfect. There we go. Just gotta shake it up. Nice looking ride. Thank you everybody that tuned in and checked it out with me. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. And till next time. T10 out.